If you want a fast and simple way to create professional videos, then you're going to love this software. It's a new video creation tool I just discovered called Content Samurai that's unlike anything I've ever seen. In fact, the first time I played with it, my jaw just about hit the floor. I was able to go from a script to a fully finished ready-to-watch video, complete with a voice track, imagery, music, the whole lot, in under 30 minutes, no joke. And it actually looked awesome. And not only was it easy to do, I actually really enjoyed doing it. And that's not something I would usually say about making videos. Look, you simply won't believe how easily you can now produce really cool videos until you've tried it. If you're already using video and you want to 10x your results, you're brand new to video and want to shortcut the whole learning process and start getting results immediately, Content Samurai really is a game changer. Plus, you can try it out for free with no obligation to buy via the link below. So go check the link below this video out now. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.